Let's make heart envelope and card with a gift wrap. Start with a card. Take 2 sheets of paper and attach them with double-sided tape in the center. Paper size does not necessarily have to be accurate. Fold it in half at the center. I'm making a 4¼ square card. It's about 11 centimeters. You can make it any size, bigger or smaller, but make it a square. At the mark, fold it vertically. Do the same on the other side. Cut off excess paper with both lines. Stick double-sided tape between the paper on the both right and left sides. Fold and push it down to secure the paper. Measure and mark them and draw a line. Cut off excess paper at the line. The square card is ready. Let's make a heart envelope with a card. Large size of 2 sheets of the same paper. The height is about twice of the card, and the length is more than 4 times of the card. Place the inner paper on top, the outer paper on the bottom with facing down. Fold a little the right edge of the outer paper. Stick double-sided tape on the back of the edge and secure it on the inner paper. Using the card, fold the 2 sheets of paper together at the same length of the card. Place the card about 1 inch, it's about 2.5 centimeters, from the edge of the outer paper. Then fold the left side of the paper together in parallel at the left edge of the card. Overlaps the outer paper and cut about ½ inch or 1 centimeter from the seam. Then cut the inner paper about ¼ inch or 5 millimeter from the edge of the outer paper. Stick a longer double-sided tape on the back of the folded right edge. Then close it. Fold it in half. Fold the bottom vertically around here. Then cut that line. Fold the corner diagonally to the center line. Fold the other side in the same way. Then fold this edge to the center line. And the other side too. Open it, turn it over and fold both sides in the same way. Fold here. Turn it over and fold it in the same way from the back. Slowly open here and flatten it into a square. Fold it firmly to make a clean crease. Fold this corner to the center point. And the other side too. Fold them firmly, then secure the corners with double-sided tape. Turn it over and fold the top back and forth. Open the top and make it stand. Make clean creases on all corners. Here is the seam. Align this line and the other side too. Then fold it down like a paper bag. Fold it back and forth in the center. Open both sides and put them together. Then also fold it back and forth in the center. Cut the top edge here. Fold the top to the other side and make it stand. Align this edge with this edge and this edge with this edge. Then slowly open the top according to the natural flow. Fully open the top while making clean corners. This is a seam. Place it to the left. This is the top and this is the bottom. Fold it slightly above the left center and the bottom center. Fold it back using the crease. Do the same on the right side. Leave this middle part. Mark the half point of the upper center line. Cut only the top part to the half point. Fold it at the end point of the cut and slightly right to this center point. Do the same on the left side. Then fold them back at the creases. Fold at the point a little below from the top and the half point here. Fold it back at the crease. Do the same for the left side, but fold it all this part, including the middle part on the left side. Make sure it's symmetrical. Now it's ready, the heart envelope. It's time for the card again. Let's write a message. Open the heart and place the card inside the envelope. Close it and put it back in the shape of the heart. I recommend using thin gift wrap paper to make this envelope and card. Your message wrapped in the heart.